Vasudhara Falls near the holy city of Badrinath is one of the famous tourist attractions in Uttarakhand State. It lies 8 kilometers away from Badrinath, one of the Char Dhams or 4 sacred shrines located deep in the beauty of the Himalayas. Surrounded by beautiful mountain peaks, it's a 5-kilometer trek from Mana village. Mana is 3 kilometers drive from Badrinath. Mana is often linked with legendary myths of Pandavas. It's believed that Pandavas had passed through Mana village on their journey to heaven. One has to trek 5 km from Mana village to reach the falls. The trekking from Mana village to Vasudhara Falls is an easy and it takes 2 hours. The trek is along a stone path with some grass and shrubs in the sides. No special permission is needed. On the way, you can see some of the most beautiful scenery in the world. Snow-capped peaks, misty mountains, valleys filled with flowers and gushing river streams. Vasudhara Falls is a natural fall situated near the Mana village in Uttarakhand. There are no shops or tea stalls on the way, so it's good to have some biscuits and water with you. This ravishing waterfall drops from a height of 400 feet, about 122 meters above sea level. People believe that the heavenly beauty of the Vasudhara Falls can only be savored by those who are clean, pure, and unstained from guilt. Although it's a remote destination, but the undiluted beauty and cool ambience of this waterfall tempt the nature worshippers to visit it. The fall looks stunning post-monsoon and also during monsoon time, and the lush greenery and mountains around it makes it look more awesome. Between months of March and July, it is considered as an ideal time for visit in this waterfall.